Welcome to a quick introduction of Textmetrics. Why Textmetrics? Imagine that you run a business with a large international presence. You want your global team to follow your new corporate identity rules. You want everyone to follow the style guides flawlessly. But you also want your team to not only write by the rules, but also write in an understanding, positive, and informal tone. How are you going to achieve this? Are you going to deploy staff training to be held in all different countries and languages? And will you do this again every few months? Because people forget things quite easily. For that, and many other reasons, is why we built Textmetrics. Textmetrics ensures that everyone can write the best content possible, no matter where. When we say, write the best content possible, everywhere. Everywhere means in all systems that your company uses to communicate, whether it is your CMS, Microsoft Word, Outlook, or even an internal app, whether you're a professional writer or not. This is what we call augmented writing. Augmented writing is based on algorithms that we have developed in-house and algorithms and rules that you find very important to load in the system. Next to a company-wide content and branding configuration, specific departments can add their own algorithms to help them successfully reach their KPIs. Typical Textmetrics use cases are the communications director who wants to have their corporate brand identity implemented structurally, consistently, and globally. The marketing department that wants more traffic, conversions, and happiness from the readers on the websites they maintain. The recruitment department that wants more job offer applications and more qualified applicants. The main objective of Textmetrics towards its users and clients is improving content consistency, reducing costs, and increasing turnover. Content consistency is reinforced through algorithms developed specifically for corporate identity, as well as writing guides. Reducing costs on customer support can be related to content reading levels. Do people quickly understand what you write? Are you using complex words or writing in simple language? Increasing turnover is related to algorithms concerning content search engine optimization, writing for a specific target group and specific knowledge level. It is not about which algorithms Textmetrics has, but which algorithms you and your organization consider important to help you reach your goals and KPIs. Let's take a quick look. Textmetrics is divided into two parts. The part that has to do with creating content, which you can see right here, and the part that has to do with managing content. We'll jump into that in a moment. Creating content can be done by importing it. In this case, that happens by importing a URL, but you can also import entire domains or Word documents. Of course, you could also start from scratch. In this case, we have an SEO algorithm that studies, together with you, which elements of the text meet the set requirements for the findability of this content. But you can also look at, for example, the content readability levels. In this case, the readability level is C1. That is a bit too high, because we want our text to be at a B1 level. Textmetrics not only tells you what is wrong with the page, but also tells you exactly what you need to do to make the page meet the defined reading levels you are looking for. It assists with tips, for example, which synonyms you could use in a sentence. Let's look at measuring content. We have page trackers, content rankers, and many more features we can discuss later. Let's take a look at a site tracker. A site tracker is the place where you have an overview that shows exactly how things are going with certain domains of your organization. Here you have, for example, the recruitment domain, corporate communications, but also marketing. The marketing domain shows you the health of your organization. What is the content health of this part of the website? This powerful tool can be used in other areas and contexts as well. It measures the health of a domain, gives a summary, and you can click through to a specific page and then further improve it in the editor.